gifts?
John, they're perishable. Excuse me.
Hi, I should probably talk a little in this vlog. It's been a real gloomy day today. Very kind of like, doesn't match where I live. And yeah, I haven't done much this morning, so yeah, my classes this morning got canceled. And just been watching TV and wanting to go to work. Hopefully the rain stops before I need to leave, but it seems to be drizzling right now, but it seems to be a little wind. But yeah, I still got a little bit before I go to work. Yeah. Right. Bye. Oh, and earlier I made a kale salad. It's so good. I did not like kale, but I'm starting to really like it. I put olive oil, cheese, Parmesan, cranberries, almonds, balsamic vinegar, and it's really nice. So, yeah. I'll talk to you in a little bit.